everyone, I am Jello Glentigo dito. I will be going to discuss to you the different parts of the external and internal parts of a fish. So I have here the live tilapia. So buhay pa dyan kayo na siya guys. Ikan na siya sa Among Pond. Live tilapia. So now, the first part of the tilapia is the eye. As we can see, this is the eye of the fish. And also the mouth and the nares of the tilapia located here. And for the spine dorsal fin, so this is the fine dorsal fin of the tilapia. And also we have soft dorsal fin. So this is the soft dorsal fin. And also we have a caudal tail or caudal fin. So this is the caudal tail or fin. And also we have a anal fin. So this is the anal fin as you can see. Okay, so next we have a lateral line. So as you can see, so nadiri ang lateral line, no? Mao ni siya diri dapit. Thank you. So and also we have vent. And also we have a fin. Mao ni yang kanang kaliskis sa tilapia. Fin or scales. And also we have a operculum or a grill cover. This is the operculum or a grill cover. And pectoral fins. As you can see, taas kay siya, no? Kay tiguwang naman gud ako na kayo. Ano siya ang pectoral fins. So let's proceed to the internal parts of the fish. So I will be going to cut this para makita na to iyahang part sa internal, sa sulod. Okay, so hi everyone. So let's move to the internal parts of the fish. So as you can see, na open na nato iyahang body. So first is the lateral line. So again, this is the lateral line. And also we have a brain. So brain is located here. Here. So brain is located here. And also we have the heart of the fish. So heart of the fish is located here, tapad sa liver sa fish. So and also the liver is here. So this is the liver. And also we have the stomach of the fish. So the stomach of the fish is here. So as we can see, na po siya yung mga feeds, no? Pagkaon niya plus before siya na-die. And also we have the intestine of the fish. So the intestine of the fish, as you can see, morning mga kinain niya the intestine of the fish. And also we have the vent. So the vent of the fish is located here. So this is the vent of the fish, and this is the vent inside. And also we have gonad's egg. So the gonad's egg is located here at the center. Gonad eggs. And the swim bladder. So this is the swim bladder. So you can see mo ni siyang kanang red. Mo ni siya. And also the kidney is here. Kidney. And also the spine of the fish. So this is the spine of the fish, as you can see. And also we have the muscle. The muscle is mao ni siya tong unod-unod sa isda. So katong ato ang ginakaon. Mao ni siya. And also we have the pyloric siyaka. So mao ni siya kaning more giring-giring. Mao ni siya kanang giring-giring sa sulod sa sa isda. And also spinal cord, then spine. So this is also the spine. Spinal cord is the the center bone of the fish. And also the spine is located here. As you can see, ano siyang bukog-bukog, no? And also the gills. The gills of the fish is located into the sa iyang panga, no? So mo ni siya ang gills. Okay, I think we're done. So again, I am Jello Plantigo dito, discussing the part of the internal and external part of the fish. Thank you.